Hello, my name is Randy Dobson. I'm an instructor here in the Houston, Texas area. In this video, we'll be covering the Inventor software, the whole command. I know for some of my students that have used AutoCAD, you're going to find this command very easy and so much simpler than using an AutoCAD. I know I do a lot of references back to AutoCAD, but that's mainly because I teach both of those softwares at the same time. So let me draw a real quick sketch here real quick. We'll go with just a rectangle and we'll make it a little bit bigger here. And in that, now I'm going to extrude it, which these are other videos you should have watched. Okay, so I'm I'm done with creating my solid object. It's not too big, so I'll keep the openings real small. So I close my sketching. The next thing is I select the hole and what type of hole you want. Here it's a clean through. You can have countersink, counter bores, um, and spot face. So we'll go with the all the way through. And here we've got a diameter of 0.25. Uh, once you've located to where you want it to go, you just click face. You just click on it, and there you have your opening. It's that simple. If I wanted to change it to maybe a little bit smaller to zero point 0.2, I hit enter and it closes that down. Now I want to point something out with that. I'm going to open this back up again. Whenever you put information in, unless you know you're done, do not hit the enter key. If you'll notice, I'm going to come over here and do a countersink. Uh, Actually, let me start this over because I want to show it to you. Let me go back to hole, and I'm going to go with a counter bore, and here it is right here. I'm going to go face and click right there. So it's got all the different numbers in here. If I want to change this to zero point 0.3, don't hit enter because it closes it down. If you want to come down here to change something, just click on it. We'll make this 0 0.3. Come up here and maybe make this 0.5. If it'll fit. Nah, that won't fit real well, so we'll go back to 4. Let's try 4.0. But as you notice, I'm clicking, I'm not hitting enter, because once you hit enter, it's just like hitting this check mark. Okay, I'll go back and just make it a hole all the way through an opening. Just that simple. You hit OK, and there you have it. Okay, let me get my orbit on here. As you can see, it goes all the way through. Okay, so dealing with an opening is just a matter of locating where you want that to be. And the nice thing is, if say your opening is not what you want, you just click on it, come right here to the edit. This opens it all back up again. I could actually make it 0 0.2. Oops, excuse me. I guess if I typed it in right, it would work. 0 0.2. Let me click somewhere else so it'll kind of go. There we go. And hit check mark, and there it's done. Also, another unique thing is I can click on this, and I go into edit. I can grab this center point and move this opening to wherever I want. Okay. So a lot easier than AutoCAD. Uh, you kind of have to get used to these different, what kind of opening that you need. Do you need to countersink, counter bore, or do you need it all the way through? Uh, so this will get you started on working with openings. You don't have to do the subtract or anything like that. Uh, I know that Inventor does have shell, which you can still use, which I will have a video on it, but I just wanted to get y'all familiar with how the opening or the whole uh, command works. And you just select that. You can just move it to wherever you need it to be. close it down. Oops, I'm sorry. I just closed it. I actually have to move it over here and select. Okay, and that will get you going on the opening. I can come over here to hole, go to face, and do one on this side, as you can see, and there I've got that opening done. So much easier than AutoCAD, uh, much more efficient. So I know that your next assignment will involve openings in it, so I want you to be able to watch this video. And this concludes this video. Thank you.